up here now. See where we at. At the direct connection spot. Y'all know what time it is. Look at that. Over there, a jailbreak. Another jailbreak right there. I'm gonna get out and get y'all some video though. This apartment is actually pretty nice. They remodeling it too. It's a nice looking building though. See, I wanna get stuff like that for the garage. It's cool little displays. And they won't sell you this kind of stuff. But that's what I want. Stuff like that. Pretty cool for sure. Got a nice Jeep cut out on the wall. That's pretty sick. It's like 3D. Cool Jeep display up there too. Probably light up, it looked like. It's pretty sick.
I thought I had an SRT head up here, but I we must have sold
the mopar hats. Y'all see those, a Ram and a mopar hat. All right, y'all see it. It's the final product right here. Well, 99% of it. So I still gotta get the door cards, which I'm gonna find those. If not, I'm making some. It actually don't look bad with the black door panels in there. But I can't fuck with that. We gotta fix that. So that's tomorrow's mission. I'm gonna get them door panels in for y'all. Y'all see it. We got that shit done. Thank the Lord for that one. It's not even that hard, but yeah, we got it in there now, so y'all see. Y'all see how it's looking from the inside. Yes, sir. That red contrasts hard with the white for sure. Definitely. Smell like new leather again too. It already did, but yeah. Yep. About to show y'all the red eye blower I put on too. 1 second, I'm gonna cut you back on. All right, y'all see it. Got that red eye blower on there. Niggas wasn't playing no games, you feel me? 2.7 blower on there now. I should have did the injectors when I did that shit. I'm an idiot, but those is easy. You don't gotta pull the blower to get the injectors out, so. Next move we doing is pulley swap, injectors, and our tune. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned. I'm telling you, 1,000 horsepower coming real soon. 1,000 horsepower coming real soon. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. 1,000 horsepower coming soon. Y'all stay tuned, boys. Y'all stay tuned. All right, this is gonna be the first cold start with the red eye blower. I don't think it sounds no different, but we'll see. The blower sound is gonna be the same either way. Y'all see it? The red guts. Pressure. Y'all see it? Pressure. Pressure. I don't be doing no capping. I be telling y'all I'm about to come do this shit. You see it. You see it. Fuck my dash so damn. Oh. Y'all see, dog. it definitely sound different for sure. 1000%. Y'all hear it. Yes, sir. We're gonna be in action tomorrow, so I'm gonna have some pull videos for y'all tomorrow. Definitely stay tuned. Got this odd colored Hellcat up in here. Never seen this color before. 2018, 6-speed. Oh, it's just the same as mine. This got the cat logo seats though. Must be 2018 thing. It's a nice color for sure. Like that color. See the difference. Forget what they even call this color. This be a 2018 only color probably, because I never seen another one this color. And it's not a red eye either. Strange. Definitely strange. I like it though. Should have put that black hood in a black trunk. They got a little RT over here too with that new color. Like this color for real. What is it called? Indigo blue. Yeah, that's 2022 and up color. Definitely a sweet color. Y'all see, they want 39 is the base price, so it's 47. You call it about 50 out the door. Got the Alcantara with the leather in there. Not bad. Let's see what else they got out here on the lot. Oh, you can't go out this way. Yes, you can. How you doing, brother? Let's see what else they got around here. Might be all personal cars. They got a lot of these Wagoneers though, y'all. I really like these for real. At first I hated these shits, but the more I look at them, they look all right. Like that white one, that's player for real, bro. That's player. I could rock out to a Wagoneer for sure. These white ones look super nice for real. Like, look at that shit. 85,000 for that. It's pretty nice though, for sure. See that interior. Definitely nice. Then you got shit like this, bro. This is fucking badass. A High Tide is called. That's fucking badass, bro, for real. I really like that. That's nice. Black down too. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's pretty nice, man. They got some decent cars. Feel like they got a shitload of Jeeps out here. More than anything else. Couple Durangos. Here go a RT over here. One right there, 2022. Yeah, these is nice, bro. Now they come with the nicer rims on them too. And this is only a RT. Ooh, and it got that red and black interior. That's nasty. That's nasty. And they come with these Hellcat hoods, factory now, on the RTs. It's hard to tell them apart for real, bro, the SRTs. Because now they basically come like a SRT factory, which is crazy, but this F8 green, they got Challengers for days over here. See how many they got. RT, SXT, SXT, RT, 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 RT. Man, they got a lot of Challengers, bro. Another RT. Here's a RT Charger, SXT Charger, RT Charger, and they got a lot of them over here for real. Another Well, this is a SXT. But yeah, they got a bunch of Jeeps. More Jeeps over there too. A lot of cars for sure. I liking these Jeeps for real. That's all for over here though. Just had to pick our supercharger up. Got me a shirt too and stuff while I was here, so something different. Keep us busy, but y'all see Ganley up here in Bedford. This is where you come because they a direct connection part seller, so hell yeah. We're gonna get back to the city though. I'll cut y'all on. Alright, we're gonna try to fuck with this SQ5. Y'all see it. We're gonna see what this bitch can do against him.